Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working guys on a Ford Focus MK3. This is the third generation Ford Focus, and we'll show you guys how to remove or how to replace your A-pillar trim, also known as A-pillar cover guys. I'm talking about the one right here on the passenger side. The driver side should be identical procedure as well. This should guys cover most of the models from 2012 to 2019. Now some of you might have a longer side airbag, so you have to be careful guys. First, when you guys before you remove that cover, disconnect your car battery at least 1 hour before the repair. Why? Because it's part of the airbag system guys, and if that thing blows in your face it can kill you guys and you're done. So consider that video guys entertaining, not a how-to video, and if you're not certified and qualified to work on airbags, stay out of it guys, and I wouldn't recommend to do it yourself. So we already have our car battery disconnected. We'll go ahead and start on it. Quick introduction: we guys have more than 200 videos on this car and more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop. Why we do all that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys. If you need to save more money guys, even on tools and parts, check out the link in the description of the video below. So let's start on it now. So we have our car battery disconnected guys. What we're going to do next, I'm going to get inside the vehicle. Okay, let me get in and I'll show you guys okay what we're doing here now. So we'll get guys a trim removal tool, plastic trim removal tool, and you can find what we use in the description of the video below. Now you may have airbag, side airbag that stops here or it goes all the way down, so you have to be extremely careful. Don't go deep, just a little bit like that, grab it with your fingers. Okay, and gently pull the clips out. It's not going to come all the way. Why? We're going to explain okay in just a second. So let's go ahead and pull that thing a little bit this way. Okay, check it out, that's where the side airbag is located. And right here guys, okay, the plastic clip, we need to go ahead okay and get that one loose, because if we break it guys, later if that thing blows up, okay, that plastic will fly in your face. So now right here, if you come on the back, okay, you can pry that thing out. Okay, I almost came out. Okay, perfect. Now what we need to do guys, we need to grab it and we need to just go ahead and pull that thing okay up. It will be stuck, it has a couple of clips that might be stuck, but eventually guys it comes out. Clips that we have on the back side, one here you can see, the one that we disconnected over there, and then we have two on the bottom, three actually, but those two are mostly holding. And you can see guys that piece came out just like that. So that's how you guys remove it. Putting it together is in reverse order, we took it apart. Thank you for watching, please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.